Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about how to make coffee using the reusable stainless steel capsule by the Coffee Seal. So it comes with a scoop and a brush and the capsule, of course. It's a twist off top. And so what we're going to do is fill this up with coffee. I found that the dark roast works the best. You get nice bold cup of coffee and very flavorful. I use the dark roast espresso blend. And what we're going to do is fill up the capsule and pack it in tightly. Okay, so it's about 3 scoops full, and you're just gonna pack it in. Pack it in. I want to give it a little more. And here we are. So now, for the lid, put it back on. And make sure it's tight. If we have any excess coffee grinds on the threads of the cap, we'll just brush those off. And make sure it's tight. Alright, let's go ahead and put this into our Nespresso coffee maker. Now it does make 8 ounces of coffee. Let's see how it comes out. Here we are. I can already see foam. And it comes in a packaging just like this. Alright, you can get that on Amazon. And it also comes with a little pamphlet here. There's instructions inside. Alright, and here we have a freshly brewed cup of coffee. Very nice. We got that layer of foam, and let's try it out. Great. Thank you for watching. See you next time.